Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be brewing with the AeroPress using 3 of the best recipes tailored to different coffee roasts: light, medium, and dark. And whether you prefer bright fruity flavors or something deep and bold, these recipes will help you brew the perfect cup of coffee every time, and your future cups of coffee will thank you. I'm using the clear and the new colorful range of AeroPresses today, which you can find in the top corner of your screen. And if you do learn something, let me know by smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. All right, let's jump right in and find the perfect cup of coffee for your roast. The AeroPress is known for its versatility and precision, making it ideal for those of you who want to dial your brew to suit different roasts. And today we're sharing recipes that adjust the coffee to water ratio, the brew temperature, and the extraction time to bring the best out of light, medium, and dark roast coffees. And with the AeroPress, you have control over all of these factors to get the flavors just right. There are a few things you will need to get started, like a kettle, and preferably one that is temperature variable, like the Varia Aura kettle I have here. I also like that it has an open spout to it for the fast flow that it provides. Also, a set of scales. I have the Varia AKU scales, and this way you can measure both the beans and the water used. Let's begin by taking a look at a light roast recipe. For a light roast coffee, you want to use a 1:16 coffee to water ratio. That means if you're using 16 grams of coffee, you will add 256 grams of water. Keep the water temperature at around 85 degrees Celsius, which will preserve those bright floral notes. Skipping any pre-infusion on this full immersion brewer, a quick 1-minute extraction time is all you need to unlock the complex acidity and delicate flavors. Though adding in a gentle stir as agitation can assist in bringing out more complexity, remember though, light roasts are all about subtlety, so don't over-extract the coffee by stirring too vigorously or steeping too long. Once a minute is up, flip the AeroPress over and press slowly to enjoy a delicate, sweet and fruity brew. Moving on to a medium roast, we'll shift the coffee-water ratio to a 1:14. That's 16 grams of coffee to 224 grams of water. Up the water temperature now to 90 degrees Celsius and go for a 45-second extraction time. This brings out the balanced sweetness and body that medium roasts are known for. Medium roast is all about hitting that sweet spot between brightness and a rich body. Adding agitation here again will bring out more depth of flavor and then add texture to the mouthfeel. Though be careful not to overdo it here, as over-extraction can occur quite quickly the darker the roast is. Once 45 seconds is up, flip the AeroPress over and press slowly once more to enjoy a well-rounded cup of coffee with lingering sweetness on the palate. Finally, for those who prefer a darker roast, we recommend a 1:12 coffee to water ratio. So 16 grams of coffee to 192 grams of water. For the brew temperature, go all the way up to 96 degrees Celsius, and a short 30-second extraction time will be enough to pull out those bold, nutty, chocolatey, and even smoky flavors. Dark roasts are all about intensity, and the shorter the extraction helps prevent bitterness. One quick stir here is all you need to ensure the grounds are fully saturated before pressing almost as soon as you let it rest. A good slow press down is all you need to extract a full strength, richly brewed coffee, and this style is often enjoyed with a dash of milk. So if this is your preference, you can go ahead now. Just be sure not to add too much or else it will drown out the coffee flavor, but enjoy. Now here are a few quick tips for getting the most out of your AeroPress. First, use a medium coarse grind size to avoid over-extraction. And you can increase the temperature gradually or the steeping time to add more depth of flavor to your brew. Always rinse your filter with hot water before brewing, and this helps remove any papery taste, but also preheats your AeroPress and cup before you start brewing. And as you've seen, the best preference for brewing consistency is through using the inverted method using the AeroPress. And that wraps up our AeroPress recipe guide for light, medium, and dark roasts. Each recipe highlights what's best about each roast level and the AeroPress. You can easily adjust your brew to suit your personal taste. And do drop a comment down below and let us know what your favorite AeroPress recipe is. And as always, thanks for watching to the end of this video. Enjoy your day, and we'll see you in the next one.